Guten Morgen, willkommen. Mein Name ist Pete Baker mit RTI und Vivatech. I'm very happy to be here in the RTI booth at ISE 2014 in Amsterdam, and proud to show off some new products and also talk about the RTI ecosystem, which is a very open architecture and open platform for control and automation and audio and video distribution as well. With the RTI ecosystem, you can see how you can easily expand into a very broad ecosystem and very expansive system with all of the RTI products, with central processors, Zigbee or 433 RF transceivers. We also have smaller processors that can be used in subzones as slave processors, and then a wide variety of expansion modules as well. And then we also have a broad assortment of controllers and user interfaces, whether handheld or wired or wireless controllers, and then also award-winning apps for control with smartphones and tablet devices, either Android or Apple products, and even Windows-based products using our virtual panel app or our award-winning RTI panel app. So thank you for coming. Now I'd like to show you some of the award-winning RTI handheld products and in-wall products that we also have on display in the booth. Starting with our new T2X, which is the hottest selling wireless controller RTI has ever released. This was released last fall, and it's been very, very popular and well received by our dealers, distribution partners, and has received great accolades in the press as well. With the T2X, it features 3 different methods of RF transmission, either Wi-Fi, 433, or Zigbee for bidirectional control. It also features an integrated grip sensor and accelerometer for motion-based control or gesture control, and the perfect complement of hard buttons along with a touchscreen. And then we move over to the T2i, which is coming out at the end of the first quarter. And with the T2i, it features the same industrial design, but it's a more affordably priced product, which does not include the Wi-Fi and is a little bit more streamlined for more simple control with the T2i. Then we move up to our T3X, which will be out either March or April of this year. With the T3X, it features a 3.5-inch color display, also a touchscreen, and then you can see that it does also feature an integrated camera and microphone for voice over IP. And this also has 3 different methods for RF transmission, either 433, Wi-Fi, or Zigbee for bidirectional control. So this is an exciting new product from RTI. And then we also have, of course, our award-winning RTI panel app, which can be used on either Android or Apple devices. And as a complementary handheld device to work with the RTI panel app, we have our revolutionary Surfer remote. And the Surfer remote is very unique in the regard that it addresses some of the common complaints with app-based control and allows you to have tactile control with the app. And whatever you choose on the app, the surfer will automatically track with that. So if you choose satellite, you can now pick up the surfer and have tactile control of the satellite. If you choose DVD instead, this will automatically switch to DVD and give you tactile control of the DVD player. So it's really an amazing product, and it's very affordably priced. Okay, moving around this way, we also have some additional in-wall products. We have the KX7, which is an exciting product from RTI. This is a 7-inch in-wall color touch panel. It features single component video input, so you can have video showing up on the display either full screen or in a scalable window. It also features wired Ethernet and web browsing, so you can access IP addressable devices like security cameras and so forth. We also have the 3.5-inch RK3V, which is an exciting product from RTI. Also with wired Ethernet and web browsing for accessing IP addressable devices. And of course, just like all of the RTI products, with the color touchscreens, it's a completely customizable interface and allows you to have a completely matching interface and consistent user interface and user experience on all the touch panels and all the user interfaces throughout the project, whether they're wired or wireless or app-based control. So that's it for today. Thank you for coming by the booth, and have a wonderful afternoon.